All right, we're here. We're live, I think. Yo, hoping the Wi-Fi works today. Oh, let's see. Hold on, let's hey, share us out real quick, let everyone know. Let's see what a family is. All right, let's get it. Okay. V bro, hey, what's up, family? Appreciate you. Hey, appreciate it. Yo, hope all is well. Hey, just to let you know, hey, coming at you from Budapest, Hungary. Currently in my hotel, and here, let me move the screen back a little bit. The Wi-Fi is kind of, I don't know. I'm gonna be real. I'm honestly surprised it's going right now. So if anything happens, it was a Wi-Fi. But Osama, hey, top of the morning. It's like almost 5 o'clock here. Good morning, and on Tesla 400 calls. Bought it. Ooh, nice. I just took profit on these MSTR calls that I have been here. Let me go to the weekly chart. Here we go. All right, so I entered like I think February 2nd. So I've been holding. Entry was here, and my target was up here, and we just came to the target. So it can move some more, but it came here. But what's annoying is I think I had an opportunity to sell like legit a week after I got in. I would have sold out with like a little more than I just took, which is something I need to consider and weigh out or like possibly start doing. Wait till my account is like larger and I have more positions and stuff. But Monica, good morning. Romero, good morning. Oh yeah, doing well out here. Hey, didn't get sick at all the whole time in Spain. Didn't get sick at all the whole time in Hungary. So yeah, I'm doing great. This time has been a lot better. Really been very, very busy, but seeing some good things, experiencing some good things, all that good stuff. The issue, top of the morning. All right. So I believe we have 34 minutes to Euro close. Most of the day is going up. So here, I wanna kind of see if there are any areas of interest to go for. I'm gonna take the SPY down to a 5. I'm looking like if I trade today, it's probably gonna be some kind of day trade, like some kind of slight work on the SPY. Nothing, not gonna like risk a bag. Today is gonna be a major option to expiration, so there's potential for that. We might be able to catch some kind of reversal. Jay Wells said Tesla going crazy. Hey, we'll go ahead and pull it up. Let's see. We'll slide that up down here in the middle. Oh yeah, very crazy. Okay. So here, let's actually let's run it on Tesla. Let's see real quick. All right, so on the day, yeah, we got open at 392. Let's check the levels. So there is some liquidity, like this level right here, there is some liquidity. So not sure how we feel about it like closing here yet. Would like to see it close above this on the hourly. Um, yeah, we'll take a look at this. So on the 4 hour, we got this I guess 403.80, 404 level. Next area beyond this is going to be about like 408 or so. So we'll just draw those lines for now. We'll put it on like the 5 minute. Oh, Tesla is moving kind of aggressive. So for now, we'll watch that. Let me actually get the next level because Tesla is, is moving. You said SoFi, how's it looking? Felt like SoFi was kind of like, oh, it's up. Here, I got it pulled up, but I'm gonna finish analyzing Tesla first, just cause yeah, it wasn't quite done, but yeah, let's see what's up with Tesla real quick. Next level. Yeah, we'll say okay. So I'll say it's like a good ways for the next level. Probably gonna be about 414.74, 415 or so. With a little bit of liquidity at 416. So yeah, we'll take that, drop down to like a 5 and just see what it does. See if it continues to push. I would say if it gets to 415, shoot, I might throw some kind of lotto. All right. So far, how's it looking? All right, let's see. So this is so far on the 4. Let's see. Looking where we are. I'm gonna with all the movement we're getting today, I'm gonna have to. Oh wait, hold up. One thing I want to acknowledge. If we look at the dollar right here, we kind of like sold off to start the day, consolidated. Now it looks like we're trying to move back up. If we see this start moving back up, if we see this break to the upside, watch out. That might be like we might get a little pullback on the day. Might be a good time to go for some really cheap puts before they actually go. Like, and not getting much time because the market is very bullish right now, but just because today is a major options expiration, and because we are so like overbought on the day, lots of potential there. D skirt top in the morning. Hey, no, yeah, the rally is real. Um, I legit the day before the rally started, I grabbed I think I spent about 500 on the spy call that expires on Monday. Um, that was burned, but it made me feel very comfortable, like holding everything and whatnot. I'll say like that spy call kind of served as a hedge. If anything goes wrong, it was good. But with everything that ran, all the positions and everything, definitely made a lot more profit than that $500 that was in that trade. So it's cool. It just, I think it might be the last trade I took. Yeah, it's just never fun watching like it's almost at zero, but I'm like, yo, anything could happen. So I've learned to just like, yo, I'm gonna leave that there. And it's like I knew the risk when I took it. But we were looking at SoFi. Let's get back to SoFi. All right. So let's Fi. So SoFi, we got the 13 crossing over the 200 on the 4 hour. That's looking good. So right now, support. All right, you got support at about like 18.80, $19, somewhere in that range. As you got like a support area. I'm gonna line it over here where you got these EMAs crossing, but really I say it goes up to probably about like 19.10 or so. All right, looking also appear to have some at like 1960 or so. You said, am I day trading or swing trading today? Um, Probably just day trading. If I see the opportunity for a swing trade, cool, but probably just day trading just because we just went on a large run. Some stuff's in new territory. Is just not as obvious for me. The trend is up now. So now I would likely be waiting for a pullback. And now my trades are going to be kind of looking up for what I'm doing. So it's like as of right now on the day, it's like I might go for a down. I might go for a put like on the daily, something super cheap, something that's not going to burn, but uh, kind of just need to go, kind of need to wait and see. Could also go for a call. It's like I'm leaning towards puts, but say we get a pullback and then we kind of like stagnate, like, or we get some kind of quick pullback. It's like, oh, they might set us up to enter for upside and like ride some more. So looking at short term just because the certainty isn't as high, but yeah. Ramiro, everything's so expensive right now. That honestly makes sense. Another reason I'll probably look at zero DTs. And yeah, we'll see. We'll see. That's honestly, I've been very, very hands off with the stocks. I did actually hold up. I did make like I think it was like 2 days ago. I think it was the 15th. Yeah, I think it was the 15th. Today's the 17th. I took a trade, like I took a quick trade on Nike because I was making a new like how to trade options video. And like I traded like right at open. And this time we like, it played out the way we thought it would. But bro, it's so annoying. I was like showing the charts before the video and I had like different angles and stuff. And the screen wasn't recording. So it's like in one of the angles you can see the screen, but I was just like apparently it was just recording me. Like the webcam was just recording me instead of recording me and the screen. It was very annoying. But hold on, let me get these levels on SoFi. All right, so next level SoFi is going to be about $20, which is where we're at. Okay, and then above that, looks like it's going to be about like 2080. So yeah, that's where we're looking on SoFi. We want to see if we can hold above 20, but no real confirmation above 20. So like looking at SoFi, this is how I'm looking at it right now. Okay, so yeah, Tesla wild run. Looks like it's having a hard time getting above 408. SoFi is pulling back. Supports around like 960. Tesla. AMD's flat on today. It's crazy. But AMD has gone on an insane run this week. Okay. April was good. Top of the morning. Let's see where we. Kong, good morning. Good morning. All right. So now I also want to come in, look at the SPY, like try to let me see if there's a good time frame to try to draw. Nah. All right. So I'm watching on the 2 minute too. Oh wait, hold up. All right. So looking back at the dollar, it's trying to go up, but it's not like confirming up. So that's one thing. Still got 23 minutes to euro close. Um, let's see. Part of me would like to think we've kind of hit our resistance for the day, but also hold on, let's see. It'd be nice if we could get like some kind of. I wanna find like some kind of like trend line I can draw, but it's not even consistent. Yeah, if you look at this, we're just like straight up. So here, this is what I'm gonna do. I'm gonna draw This 705 area on the spy. Wait, actually, hold up. Nah, so that was already a setup. Hold up. So this was their pre-market, and anybody who just took advantage of that, they probably made a bag. All right, so next kind of anything like that would be over here at this like 708.52. We get a pullback to that. Might be go for no, that's kind of tight. I don't know how I feel about that. Feel like I'm looking a little too hard right now. See Tesla. All right, let me check my watch list real quick. See what was good on it. All right, and hey, let me take this time and say, yo, if any of y'all have ever been to Budapest and y'all happen to have some like food y'all really enjoy when y'all are out here, yo, let me know. I'm gonna be real. It's like the food out here is it's kind of overwhelming. It's like it's so many options. I don't know what to uh, what to get a lot of the times, but or where to go a lot of the times. But it's like if y'all had anything that changed y'all's life in any way, I'll be open to look at it. All right, let me see. What was this? Just bought a 7-Eleven put for 139. Oh, that's a wait. Okay, that's at the money though. Okay, that's not too bad. Yeah, let's entertain that idea actually. All right, so five. Yo, if we look here, we came up here, we got this range right here. Oh, wait, hold on, let me zoom in. So on the 5 minute, we got this range. Let me change the color on that. All right, so we got this range on the 5 minute, right? We actually came. Actually, we kind of need to look out. All right, so we came over here and we made a low. All right, so this area is going to be kind of critical for a little bit because it's like there's liquidity here, and this is also something that would, you know, an area where you could get a trend continuation or at least something that could lead you back up to this equal high or yeah, pushing higher. I don't really think we'll come too much higher. But should we break this, we could also get some kind of move down and it could move more aggressively. Like you could get some kind of move here. We could really drop like a rock. We could come all the way down here. So yeah, we'll see. I'll watch the hike and actually see how we're doing there too. But I like it. I like it. Steve just made 11K. Hey, good stuff. Good stuff. Hey, slight work, Steve. Slight work. It's good stuff. Good stuff. Love to hear it. I hope you put it to good use. Let's see. Take profit just hit. Okay, so it was like a scalp. Okay. Hey, $31. Hey, can't even be mad at that. That's solid. That's a meal right there. Depending on where you are. Let's see. All right, so we pulling back. Here, I'm gonna get rid of these arrows. I might go for a little scalpy action. Done for now. Now come on. Why sit in the sidelines for? Hey, I might get in, give me a little something, something too. I'm looking at this hiking ashy. We'll see where the momentum takes us. Let me see these contracts. Let me see these zero DTEs. Let me go to the right portfolio. Trade options. Hey, Gamer Boy, 4851. What do you mean by TP? Does that mean take profit? What you saying? Okay. Yeah, seeing how we do here. Seeing how okay, we're trying to come at us again with another red hiking ashy. See how we do at this level. This might be the area to buy, honestly. Steve, hey, top of the morning. Join was on military. Hey, safe and alive. Hey, yo, happy you were. Hey, big time happy you're safe and alive. Hey, blessed, bro. You just reminded me. I went to a laundromat today. Did some laundry, right? And crazy enough, yo, somebody else who actually lives like oh, he probably lives like 20 minutes away from me was out here, same laundromat and everything, but he just came from Israel and it was talking about like the missiles and stuff flying over his head and stuff. And he said he actually grew up in Israel and like I think he said he lived there like the first 20 or so years of his life. And he said it's been like that all his life. I'm like, bro, I'm like, really? I'm like, that's crazy. But what was the point I was making? Oh yeah, but anyways, yo, he was just talking about like I was like, why? I asked him why he's in Budapest, and he said like to fly back where he was gonna fly, the ticket would have been 8K, like $8,000, and I was like, yo, for first class? Nah, he said nah, it was regular economy, and he's like, so he wanted to spend the weekend in Budapest because instead of $8,000 for a flight back, be 1,200 flying out of here. So that's what it was. That is what it was. That's what occurred. But here, let's see. So I'm up. We wishful thinking. Hey, glad to hear that, gamer boy. Hey, Charles, what's up, family? Top of the morning. All right, so as of right now, it's looking like we're trying. No. Hold up. Disregard what I was going to say. Still got to see like the hike and ashy right now. We're kind of hugging this 13 EMA on the 2 minute. So we still could be leaning down. It'd be nice if we got a double top, but we might just end up coming on down. We'll see. M said Matthew, welcome back online. Yeah, I'm back today. I will here, let me check the calendar for you. Today's the 17th. I think I fly back. I don't know if it's the 22nd or 23rd, but I fly back one of those days. Which is this is going to be really confusing. I think this is going to be my last stream until I'm in America. I think might be able to do something Monday. Not sure. But I this is probably my last one until I'm back in America. And I'm very confused because it's like I'm flying back in time because I'm ahead over here. I think I'm like 6, 7 hours ahead of most people. You said actually this is my third post. You didn't see it under me. That's wild. That's wild. Hold up. M Sense. I saw where you said, did you see my post? I saw the one about 11K. May I ask what percent? I saw one that got retracted. Yeah, so I saw the other ones, but yeah, I'm not sure. Not sure. All right, so we're still just here consolidating, moseying around. What is it? We got the dollar is kinda trying to creep up. I kind of want the dollar to creep up because it's like everything I'm buying out here, I'm buying it like I'm using my card. And oh, hold up, we trying to come down? We might be trying to come down. Let me jump up to the 15, see how we're looking. Yeah, I'm gonna go on. I'm gonna go for a quick little put them down. We'll see. Oh wait, hold up. I'm a dang. I'm gonna go just. Oh no, no, no! I don't want that many contracts. I'm gonna just go for one. I'm gonna grab a little. I just grabbed a little 710 put expiring today. Paid 142 per share. Hey, we're in there slightly early, but it's at the money. I'm down on it now. I'm down on it. Let's see. Break even is 708.58. But yeah, that's where I'm at right now. I just grabbed the put. Let me go on slide this over. Okay. You said okay. Anyhow, I'm in a 715 call on the SPY, expiring the 20th. All right, so all I'm gonna say remember that today is a major option expiration, which is kind of why I like did this. Expect some volatility, I would say. We already got like massive volatility to upside. I'm not expecting today to be like too news based, but one thing, like look at the dollar right now. The dollar is moving up. So as long as I still see this dollar moving up, I'm gonna feel a little bit more comfortable. Like I'm gonna feel comfortable holding this put I just grabbed. So I'm gonna say that. Like if we keep moving up on this, like if this dollar moves up to 98, yeah, we probably got some more falling to do. We're gonna come on back. But here, I'm gonna actually take this AMD down here, put the SPY over here too. I appreciate that, Romero. You said my magnet is bringing it down. Hey, hey, turn it up, gamer boy, bring it on. Let's go. Hey, turn up the magnet. Let's get some electricity to it. Bring it on. Improve the strength. Let's see. Okay, it's trying to bounce up now. But to me, this is a fake out because once again, watching that dollar, it's moving up. One of them has to give, but that dollar doesn't look like it's trying to give up right now. So yeah, I'm gonna hold on that. Let me check the 1 hour on the SPY. Let's see. Let's see. So 1 hour, we're like RSI is at 85.69. Let's check the 30. Yeah, it's up there. Let's check the 4 hour. Yeah, we up there too on the 4 hour. It's about 85. Shoot. Okay. Yeah, I'm chilling where I'm at right now. We'll kind of wait, see. continue to watch the dollar. Bro, let me know how are y'all's portfolios doing? It's like bro, I've legit been watching this like that last spy trade I was talking about, like go down, like down, down, down. But meanwhile, I'm watching my portfolio. I'm like, hey, nice. I'm like, I'm not even. I'm like, yo, this the spy going down. I'm like, that's just a sign. I'm like, yo, I shouldn't be trading that heavy right now. I'm not even at the charts like that. And oh, we going up. We going up. And I want to let y'all know for me, it's been a little tough. It's like I've kind of been seeing the headlines, but I felt like very disconnected from like the markets and wasn't whatnot. Because it's like I'll see it, but I'm like, are we moving off this? I'm like, do we think this move is real? I'm like, I feel like I'm not getting enough context. It's like that's kind of how moving to the other side. I'm not sure if it's the other side of the world, but just like traveling to Europe has affected me a little bit. I'm just like, yo, is this right? This time we broke structure on this buy to the upside, and it's like, oh, we're still kind of moving. All right, M sense. I'm not sure if you see it, but not sure if you see it. But these curve is responding to you just for the record. Jay Wells, my 401k is booming. Hey, that's what we like to hear. That's what we like to hear. Up 20% on the year. Yo, let's run it up some more. Hey, we just getting started. Uh, let's see. Uh, Romero just hit an all-time high for my portfolio. Hey, nice. Hey, same here. Same here. Hitting a few, and my wife too. She's like, whoa. She's the past few days. She's been like, wow. And I've had her like, I think just recently. I think like after we had this stuff in with our taxes and like after we kind of covered all our travel kind of expenses out here, she like threw some more money in. I had her like throw some stuff in before we started running up, and yeah, she's like, wow. I'm like, yo, yeah. And she started talking about something. I'm like, no. I'm like, don't, not yet. But hey, but you said you were able to flip TQQQ after that last. Nice, nice. 15K profit. Nice, nice, nice. I love to hear that, Ramel. Market makers not trying to see us. They are not trying to see you win. They want to see themselves win. They want their pockets to get fatter, and they want you to keep treating the market like a lottery, like a casino. Oh, okay. Mahishu, does your body feel better since the food is healthier? So, Mahishu, I got like some things to say about that. I don't know. I think part of it comes down to the lifestyle. There is some food that's healthier, like, and there are some ingredients that we have in our food in the US that are banned here. But I don't know. I'm gonna say I don't feel like it's that much healthier. Like, or especially like if you're eating out, um, like they do, like, I feel like they do care about their citizens more because there are certain ingredients banned that we don't ban over here that are like, yo, it's like there's no reason for you to have dyes in your food. As like other than like making it look more like candy or more like something you want to eat if you're a kid. There's no reason to have dyes in our food, but uh I don't know. Like when it comes to me feeling better, I'm gonna say I have not necessarily felt better because like when I got to Spain, my relatives, like my in-laws and stuff, I eat and I kind of like I don't know in the mornings I kind of like fast in the morning, and then I don't really eat anything to lunch. I might like drink something or like I don't know. I don't do break. I like breakfast, but I don't typically do breakfast. But like out here or when I was in Spain with my family, it was like yo breakfast. It was like lunch. It was like that. So it's all the meals. A lot of time with the family. Every meal had like dessert with it, which I'm like, yo, this is too much sweet for me. I'm like, yo, how y'all do this all the time? And so it's like, yo, I was not feeling better. I went to some really, really nice spots. Like it was delightful. But also it's like, yo, I need some time to breathe too. So I say when it comes down to oh wait, hold on. We gotta address some things in the charts. So we got Tesla moving back above that what 408 level I said was resistance. If we confirm here, like the next area is going to be like 415. So I guess watch out for that. That's on the 5 minute though. We would need like I guess like three candles, and I think that's the only thing that needed addressing. But back to the food. Um, yeah, it's like I think if you live out here and you have a routine and you have your time and stuff taken care of, and also a big thing for a lot of them is like you're doing well money wise if you have like some kind of online job or like some kind of remote job. But it's like if you're a citizen in in Hungary or a citizen in Spain and you're making Spanish money or making Hungarian money, it's it's a bit it's you're not thriving as much. So ideally it's like you want to have something online. But yeah, I think if I did live out there and I had my own space and like time to myself, it's like I think it'd be easier to be healthier for sure. But yeah, just travel wise, if you're traveling with people and you don't have time for yourself, it's tough. All right, I'm starting to think my first comment went elsewhere because I don't see it either. Okay, cool, cool. All right, it's all about the slow and steady deposits. Yes, sir. Learn from the best. Happy to hear stuff's going well. Oh, she's my wife. We've been married for like I think it's about to be 6 years next month, just for the record. But nah, that's great. Probably about to have some kids on the way here soon. No pregnancy or anything. Nothing like that. But like to have that in the near future. Portfolio up 7% today. I don't even know what mine's up today. Oh, SPY puts down right now. All right, so we're about to retest that high. We'll see what goes here. I might go for a second one. We'll see. Might average down. See if it's a double top. We'll see. We'll see. But on the day, I got multiple accounts. Honestly, I'm all over the place. I got an account up like 1.3. I got one up point like 7. I got one up point. I got one that's like 60. They're all over the place, honestly. But they're all up, so that's cool. So mine went up. My long term portfolio. Hey, this week. Hey, that's what we like to see. I kind of like I like seeing all the green in the long term portfolio, and I like this move. but I also kind of wanted to like pull on back down so that so like the money that's being averaged in every day, I'm getting more. But it's like it's good to see it up, but it's like I wanted to come back down too. It's like after we get this pop and it's like, hey, took profit on some things. It's like that's cool. But now can we get a dip so I can buy more? I also Nike. I want that to move up some more. Like it's been doing good the past few days, but I still got calls on that. And it's like they were about to be in the money and then it's like they just stopped. I'm like, okay, they playing games. All right, Mahesh, you say yes, that's right. Some things are bad. Hey, very welcome. He said, someone please tell me it's coming back up. Right now, it's kind of like ranging a little bit. All right, so I'd like to see us to come back to this high at 7-11-34. Like to see what we do here. Let me I'm gonna throw a little horizontal line up here. Throw a little alert. Might grab a second one. See. All right. No way. Hey, appreciate that, Romero. DJT tariff overseas consumption. Bro, I know you said DJT, but DJI, bro. I don't know how many of y'all are into their cameras or anything, but bro, they're not selling them in America. Oh, hold up. We're pulling back on the dollar. Pulling little retest of this 13 EMA. We'll see what this is. It's like I said, one of them has to give. We'll see which one it is. Wait, how we doing? All right, we've been live like 41 minutes. Okay. I get a little thrown off. All right, so we got European close right now, or I guess it started 5 minutes ago. And the start of European close was actually this fat candle that pushed up. So we had some buying pressure on the 5 minute, on the 15. Yeah, yeah. So Europe is they're buying our markets right now. Might have to cut out, take a L. We'll see. My new long-term swing portfolio I started in January up 1.5. All of 6 stocks are good stuff. Good stuff. Hey, we might be about to blast off some more. So it's looking like this was more of a better for a reload than actually we'll see. Cause I was looking for the possible double top, but let's see if we can make it through. Like if we don't make it through, I'll grab a second probably. If we do, I'm gonna have to take it on the chin. Did we? Oh, hold up. So we just hit that level I was talking about. All right, let's see how these hiking ashies end up doing. The dollar looks like it's trying to hold up. Like we got a wick right here. So I'm not sure. 12.5%. Oh, even better. Even better. All right, let me look at this contract one more time. All right, so it's $77 now. All right, so I'm gonna grab one more and we'll see what happens. Like we'll see. Like if it goes out, it's like all cut out. My average cost on it is like 109 now. So grab the second one right here and we'll see. I would love to see a move down here, but we'll just kind of see. Like, I would love to see us return to this 48 EMA on the 5 minute. But yeah, right now we got the potential for a double top, and that's something I would love to see. I think that'd be pretty. Think that'd be pretty nice. Still showing some strength though. Showing some strength. And then it's Tesla right here at this level. Like it's at this level, but it's not. It hasn't confirmed. Like it's like it wants to break out, but it's also like, yo, it's trying to play with some feelings right now. All right, spy looking like it might take me out. It might take me out. I'm gonna take it to a 15. Oh, it looks like a different story on the 15. Okay, we still got like 5 minutes on this candle though. Raise my stop loss on SPY based off your put, just in case. Now I'm in green regardless. Hey, get stuff, good stuff. Hey, we like the green regardless. Well, my neck a little, I don't know. Feel like I could use a massage. But I had asked Claude, I was like, yo, what things can I exploit while I'm out here? And one of the things on the list was like, yo, massages out here, like good price. Might have to do that. Maybe. At first I was like, nah, but like now I'm like feeling this with my neck. I don't know. I think the last time I got a massage was in like Portugal. I had gone with my wife and it was like, I'm gonna just say it was an interesting experience. It was like full body, and it was like intimate. It's like, yo, they like took my hand, like they had like the oil and the lotion. There was a point they even like came in, like got in like between my fingers too. I'm like, yo, touching me in places and ways. I'm like, yo, not sure how I feel about this. It was a dude too. I'm like, I don't think I've ever been this close to another man. All right, selling off a little bit, but it did feel good though. Did feel good though. But I'm like, yo, this is very strange. Dominique, what's good? Welcome, welcome. Hope all has been well. It's been, yeah, it's been some time. It's been too much time. All right, so the dollar, might still be trying to push up. Maybe. Here, I'm gonna slide this over a little bit. All right, so on the hike and ashes, we're kind of like moving sideways. I do want to say like the 13 EMA, it still like has like a slight upward kind of tilt to it. But also, hey, like this one's starting off red, and this 15-minute candle starting to look a little bit top help heavy. All right, so Spies at 710.86. I think the move is whenever I'm not trading, yo, if you just get like a call with some time on it, I think that's the move whenever I'm away from the market because it's like every time I don't trade, the market's like, yo, let's go crazy. So it might be good for y'all's portfolios if I just completely ignore the markets. Cause it's like when I'm here and I'm staring at them, but the markets is just like it's like still. And then like when I'm not, um Dominique, I've been trading future prop accounts. Nice. I had like some prop firms try to reach out to me to like promote them, but I don't want to promote prop firms. Like I think I don't know. Oh, I don't want to put any of y'all on prop firms because my experience with them is like I consider myself like a fairly decent trader, and it's like when you gotta trade by like someone else's rules and whatnot. Like I don't know. It's like you get approved trading by someone else's rules, but then it's like, oh yeah, I can finally trade and do my thing, and it's like, oh, I just forgot about the rules, and then it's like, yo, you get approved, and then it's like, oh, as soon as you get approved, or when I say you, I'm talking about me, got approved, and then it's like, oh yeah, you drew back. I'm not. I think it was like I drew back so much on a specific trade, but overall on the day I was still in the green. But they like cut my account for that. I'm like, bro. I'm like, I forgot there was a rule for how much you can be down on a specific trade. I think it was percentage wise. I don't even think it was dollar wise. I think I was like paying attention dollar wise, and then I was like, man, this is they're playing too many games with this stuff. So I'm like, yo, I don't mess with that. I think at the time I was actually like, I tried like two or three different prop firms. I think it was around the time when like a lot of them they stopped like working with Americans on their prop firm. So like I think it was in like 2023 or 2024, like early 2024, like 2023 when I was like messing around with that stuff. And then they just stopped like allowing Americans. I was like, "Oh yeah, I'm done with it." It's like options. But it's cool. It's cool if you can get funded and you can like stick to the discipline. That's like it's good if you can be disciplined, especially if you can do like the copy trading and have multiple accounts. But I'm gonna say it's the psychology of it, and like if you're not on it with the rules, bro, it's so easy to lose those accounts. It's like too easy to lose those accounts. All right, so right now we're still trading kind of sideways on the hike and ashy. We're pulling back, but we're in this range between 710.07 and 711.33. Let me see how I'm doing on the contract because I did get that second one. I want to see like how it's moving overall. So that second one I got, what I bought at 76, I was up almost $20. I could like almost reduce my costs if I saw that one. That's a possible thought. Bro, I would like to see us come back and retest this 13 EMA on the 5 minute. I would think at the least we do that. I'm gonna actually set an alert on that right now. 13 EMA on the 5. 13 EMA close. Oh, wait. Yeah, that's gonna be my alert. All right, and we just here chilling. Hold up. All right, so Tesla, somebody rejecting that 408 level. So not getting above that. We still got the dollar moving up, which is like more favorable to us pulling back on the day at least. So I'm with it. I'm here for it. But I would not be surprised since today is like a major expiration if they try to like sit here, pin the price to this level, and then wait till the end of the day to really drag it out and expose the move. But we'll see. All right, Tesla at 405.62. Oh, shoot. We got the spot trying to pop up again. Okay. Yeah, they trying to get in here. Downloaded Ninja Trader, but I'm waiting to get my capital up before I deposit money. I have never used Ninja Trader, but I have definitely heard of them. I think they have integration with what is this trading room? Let's see. Is it down here? No, it's not down. Where is it? It's like I think it's like down here somewhere. Maybe this? Nope. I don't know. Want to learn futures? It's like I say I want to, but also I don't at the same time. I kind of just want to focus on options a bit. Like futures do have like the benefits. Like I think what is it? I think futures are great because you don't have like the data and like the move. Like whenever it moves, you know how much it's going to move, which is nice. So if you want to kind of like have your like if you want to set like take profits and stuff, like you can do that. Like it's theoretically easier in that sense. It's like I like that. That's one thing I liked about Forex. So that's what I was doing when I was trading on. I forgot to mention that's what I was doing whenever I was trading like the prop firms. I was trading Forex. Like that's what I really liked about Forex. It's like I can say, okay, price is gonna come here, then come here. And it's like, okay, I want to buy here and sell here. I could legit set my buy level, set my sell level before and like my stop loss and take profit and all that before I ever get in the trade, and I can just say, okay, like that is my trade. I can define my risk and know how much, like if it moves here, how much it's gonna be. Like I loved that. But also like there were so many more factors that affected it. And it was crazy. Issue, think you would be great at. Thank you. I appreciate that. I I kind of do too. I think I just really want to focus on like I don't know. I'm not saying I won't trade them, but honestly, I just think the skill of technical analysis, like buys that. So I think it comes down to like understanding what is what in the just the time. I feel like I would have it, but I'm not 100% sure. I think but yeah, I think technical analysis is a skill. Maybe sitting and like watching the way it moves a little bit just cuz it's like I watched the spy, but SPX looks a little different. So it's like I don't think I'd be perfect, but I do think it would be nice. Also, I just need to satisfy. I think like once I feel like I satisfy like my kind of minimum stock kind of I don't know like savings and like just what I have available. Like not what I have available, just like the moves I want to make for stocks. It's like, all right, once I'm like, okay, I've made like kind of all the positions I wanted to for stocks. It's like, okay, yo, let's take some of the extra money and play with futures. And futures might be my focus. I may kind of let stock options be like a more of a kind of chill, kind of swing thing. Mson said, I'll learn futures once I have about 10 leap trades. See, that's kind of a little bit that's like almost exactly what I was just saying, just more direct and yeah, more clear, more focused. Yeah, it's like you said, once I have about 10 leap trades that I'm confident in. Yeah. I don't think you'll need to attempt. It's like you'll learn it. It's like it's technical analysis and just understanding the instrument. So yeah, just take your time to understand the instrument, understand what forex is, or not forex, futures are, and just combine them. It's kind of like when you're an athlete, you may not fully understand a sport, but it's like you can apply movements from one sport and apply it to the next and get them a lot faster than somebody that's not an athlete at all, just because there are going to be similarities. So it'll be a lot easier for you than it was to learn options trading, for instance, because you don't really need to learn the technical analysis part. Again, it's more like you might need to learn like, hey, what works or like what time frames or like what time do things move, things like that. So you might need to like learn and like get some tips. Like I know there's like the New York Open, London Open, and the I don't know if it's like Chinese or Japanese Open, some kind of Asian Open. And yeah, you got like these, and then the Australian Open. You got all these different kind of opening times and whatnot for these markets, and it's like okay, it usually does this during this time and this during this time, and you want to like find your time that kind of works for you. It's cool. But it's like 6:56. Yeah, we've been on here for an hour. Cool. Let me check my wife's location real quick. Let me see where she at. See if she made it where she's trying to go. Oh, I think she made it. Guess it didn't take that long. Okay. All right, we got the spy trying to like move up again, but we got the dollar moving up too. Y'all might be in this. Might be in this for a long time. Like they trying to consolidate, or they might just rip my money from me. I don't know. Said that's what I'm banking on. Familiarity kicking in. Bro, I wanna like do more like YouTube. I don't think I think I wanna stick with options. Like I like investing like and like financial stuff, but like I'm also like I have like so much just stuff I've recorded that's never seen the light of day just because I don't have the time to actually, or I guess I don't make the time, but right now I find it difficult to make the time to do stuff with it. And it's like I had a lot of people saying like, "Oh, are you gonna put that on YouTube?" I'm like, I'll just have it." And they're like, "You should." I'm like, "I'm probably right." I'm like, "I don't even know how I do it." So it's like I'd like to do that too. It's like it'd be chill. All right, hold up. So Tesla still chilling at this 13 EMA on the 5. Yeah, you can see we got resistance. If you look on the 15 on the SPY, it's kind of like there's resistance at this 710.86. Like we do kind of come up to like 711.37, but we got some resistance. All right, we got like hold on, what you said editing? Yeah, I get like so many people like DM me about like wanting to edit for me. I think I finally started like responding to people about it like in a more structured way instead of just saying like, "Oh, I don't need it right now." It's like just to see what's out there, cuz it's like my the things I want to execute are a lot bigger than just me, but I do like some things I want to edit, but it's like also I think it's better that people get to see it rather than me just like, "Oh yeah, I'll get it done at some point," and then it just like I'm like, "Oh well, that's not even relevant anymore." So sometimes it's like, "Oh yeah, let's just get it seen." Like something that's done is better than something that's perfect and never comes out. So it's cool. All right, let's see. So we got the Dixie. Okay, moving up. VIX. PCE is at like 0.51. Honestly, this is like here, let's look at that real quick. We're gonna take the PCE. We're gonna look at it on a 4 hour real quick. What it was Wednesday. Oh, I got down to 44. You said editing, sometimes it's the vision as well. I have a lot of footage of Chicago. If I gave someone that to edit, it's whatever. But when it's me talking motivational, it's inspirational. Let's see. Yeah, yeah. It's like bro, sometimes you need to just figure out how to communicate your vision and hand it off. Uh, that'll work too. Bro, sometimes I wish I had people like follow me around with the camera. Like not honestly, a lot of times it's like I would say it's like nothing crazy there, but there are moments I'm like, oh man, I wish there was a camera on that because I'm like, yo, somebody probably would have got something nice out of that. Like sometimes when I'm talking to my wife, I'm like, man, I need to make a video about that. And then it's just like, oh, nope, didn't happen. I mean, I have to be inspired to talk and have someone edit. Or you can take advantage of when you're expired or not. Yeah, when you're expired. Did I say expired or inspired? But yeah, take advantage of when you're inspired and act on it. Cause that inspiration just it just hits whenever. All right, Spy is back at this level. All right, so I'm watching it now. Okay, we got 11 minutes on this candle too. I need candid camera because once I press record, it does not flow the same. Sort of like all my time. I know how you feel. And it might be like a muscle. You kind of just need to just need to strengthen it. Honestly, like, bro, on the cool, like I got this camera I'm like looking at right now. It's like I know you're in there. Or maybe you're out there. To me, you're in there, but it's like I know you're out there. It's definitely like something different staring into a camera versus like talking to a person and like looking in their eyes. Cause it's like, bro, I just had like a weird idea. Like, what if they made like a camera? I'm not sure how it would be received, but like a camera where the lens actually like looks like an eye, so that you can make better eye contact with the camera and like look a little less awkward, unless you're someone that's not good with eye contact either. But yeah, it'd be a little weird because most of the time it's like a single lens. But it's a fun idea. Let's see, bro, we just here chilling. Let's see. AMD has been pinned all day. Let me pull that back up. Apple has been killing it today. Honestly, that's what let me see what Apple's looking like. Apple's killing it today. They were like behind all week, but today it's like oh yeah, it's popping. Let's see, Oracle. No, Oracle's not doing anything. Meta. All right, we got SoFi almost at 20. So close yet so far. See Nvidia. See something. See Fear and Greed Index. Where we at right now? Oh dang, we're in greed now. But last time I checked, we were like over here. We jumped up real quick. Yeah, we're almost over to extreme greed. Y'all see how long that took to load? That's why I'm telling y'all this Wi-Fi. I'm like, yo, I did not think we were gonna. I'm surprised the stream is like. I'm surprised we're still live right now. But yo, no problems, no problems. So thank God. So fly is so fly. Hmm. Hey, back at it with the dad jokes. Or not a dad joke, but it's like, yo, jumped up to bro. Yeah, SoFly. So you just got me calling it SoFly now. SoFi. Yeah, went crazy. We look at Robinhood, bro. That's another one. Like even today, like psh, insane. We look at them like if true, we go on a 4 hour, but from Monday just on the week, bro. This return. Oh yeah, just up a casual 38% this week. That's that's something right there. Greed means sell, fear means buy. Hey, for real. But sometimes you gotta get to the extremes. All right, so Spy's trying to push up a little bit. Still want to wait for confirmation, but yeah, trying to do the thing. Hold on, y'all. Just need to. I had got a message. Okay, Henry. Hey, what's good, family? Bro, we are still like, yo, still getting rejected up here. Still getting rejected. But hey, once again, Pike and Ashley on the third, on the 2 minute, still like tilting up slightly. All right, John. Okay. Hood did his thing again. Oh yes, sir. Robinhood went absolutely insane. Yo, Henry hopped on here when I started talking about Robinhood. I like just hopped on here or just started talking about that. Yeah, let's see what else. Like anything else that's kind of going crazy. Carvana looks like it's going kind of wild. Let's see. Yeah, we still got this dollar running up though, y'all. I don't trust this move on the spy. One of my portfolio had SoFi. I was very happy. You know what? I have SoFi in one of mine too. I had a portfolio where like I had more in this one, but let me see. Let me see the my portfolio that has the SoFi. So I think my average cost on SoFi. Let me see. It's like 14.74. That's a okay. So that's another thing right there. That PDT change rule. Okay, so I saw something about that, and that's what I mean. Like over here, I feel like very disconnected because it's like I think I've only seen like one thing talking about that, so I don't even know when it happened. Let me look at when that's supposed to happen real quick, or like when that's supposed to go into effect. I don't even know when this. I like even looking it up. I don't know when it's supposed to start. Okay, Maybank with USO puts. Hey, nice. I got an alert from USO dropping this morning. I hadn't even looked at it. Let me see. Or I guess I can look on the computer real quick. I didn't even see what level it fell through, but oh, okay. Yeah, so I think USO hit this 111 area. Oh, we need to be careful here, y'all. This kind of lines up with like yo, we got this liquidity here. There might be a push back up to like 118 or so. Like it can continue dropping, but like just saying like yo, we got the 200 moving average right here. We got some liquidity right here. And yo, we might not be out of the woods yet. Like, say it wants to like pop back up, we might get another scare. So it's like I don't know. All right, so Henry said change was supposed to happen within 45 days. Hey, I'm looking forward to it. Like I did mention that in like the video I recorded. I didn't upload it yet, but video I recorded, and I was like, yo, I don't know when it's supposed to happen, but I heard about it. Already happened. It's on the platform's timeline. Hold up. Hold up. Hold up. That's oh, they playing games then because I'm over here like counting my day trades and stuff. Like I just got an alert about a day trade before I took this one trade. Let me see. Robinhood, what's up? What's up with these day trades? Let me see. Robinhood playing games. Yeah, I don't know why you saying I've used 0 3 day trade. Okay, hold up. We're opening above the level. Are we gonna come back below it? Are we gonna try to confirm? I'm still in these puts. He said according to SEC, wrote it from 1A to A. Nice. It was not has not been installed in HUD yet. Oil going up is good for spot. Nah, yeah, 100%. The brokers are motivated to implement it, but the longer they wait, the more money they are missing out on. HUD coin. Hey, yeah, you would think because it's like every extra trade. It's like I think Robinhood like gets the payment through order flow, so it's probably like more order flow that they could sell, I guess. Not fully sure. And then like other brokerages just make money off the buying and selling. So that's something right there too. They need to make it happen. Honestly, I think it's bad for a majority of people. Like the result of being able to day trade under 20 or 2000%. But I feel like for me, it'll be good. But I feel like it could also get bad. I think it depends on like I guess like just kind of the state I'm in whenever I'm trading. Like if I'm rested and if I'm like relaxed and like just operating in my right mind. Well, I kind of want a snack. I don't think I I kind of got a snack right there, but I don't want to eat that. Just chill. I'm gonna just chill here. All right, hey, like that. Hey, like that. Hiking Ashy right there. That little yo, that's a dip right there on that one. Come on, bring it on back. If we can get to 709.50 and like come to this 13 EMA on the 50. Wait, hold up. I feel like I was trying to see it on the 5. Let me get back to the 5 on the SPY. Oh yeah, we still got like some resistance up here too. Oh yeah, I'd like to get to the 48 EMA on the SPY. That would be nice. You said what was the news on Microsoft? I didn't know of anything on Microsoft. Let's see. See, where is Microsoft at? I'll just type it in. Dang. AI mega data center goes live ahead of schedule. I think it probably that in combination with just the Israel, like the Strait of Hormuz and all that stuff. That's gonna be my assumption. All right, so we had the dollar come up here to this like $98 area, and then it just we kind of stalled a bit. We'll kind of see. Honestly, we've been going up as the dollar has been going up too. Something's got to give. It might not be today though. Is the thing. Oh, I'm over here watching it pull back, thinking it's good, but I'm watching the dollar pull back. I want to see the dollar go up. Exactly. My reaction was I was DCAing that. Then that crazy move. Dang. Nah, yeah, it's like we got something, bro. I saw like the AMD. I was like, bro, that is that is insanity. All right, I'm about to eat this snack. I don't know. My wife getting back. Might have to go eat dinner on my own. But yeah, I got a zero DTE. I didn't want to like risk anything. Like option contracts were pricey. Honestly, the zero DTEs were pricey too. I bought like the 710 strike. One thing that's hard for me is knowing that like most of the time when I'm like mentally done, there's still a good amount of time in the market over here. Like I might be done like 7:30 or in like 40 minutes to an hour or so, but the market's not done. I'm like, wow. Let me see the spy on like a 1 hour. See what that's looking like. Oh, we still got 37 minutes on this candle. I got the 20th expiration, 7:15 call, down 15%. Yeah, they're trying to burn the data on us. It's a major options expiration there. Bro, the RSI is at 88% or 88 on the 1 hour. Kind of high. Where were we trading at when I started this stream? Let me see. Well, I started like right here. So is that like 7, 10? Yeah, I guess we've moved like almost $1 to the upside since I've started this stream. Oh, you got put. Okay, cool. My family trying to pop off right now. Might have to mute my phone. Distracting a little bit. These curves says severely overbought SPY. Hey, it can keep going. It's almost up like $10 on the day. Hold up, let's see SPY on the weekly. Bro, we were. Did this level hit? Or did we just come close? Nah, it didn't. Oh, I was traveling. Okay. But yeah, so pretty much ever since I left, the market has been straight up. Like this candle I left for Spain. In Spain, in Spain. Ooh, wait. Actually, I left this one. So somewhere I left on this one and then bro. But yeah, that's the spot on the weekly. We're finally above this level. Very interested to see how we close out today. I have a 190 put on Nvidia expiring 5/15. Okay, May 15th. Let's look at Nvidia. See, they've been doing very well. Like, bro, that's insane. I think I I think I will be back on the 24th. I'm not sure if I head back on the 22nd or 23rd, but I'll for sure be back on the 24th. But that might be like a recovery day. Like 24th I'm probably recovering. So maybe I don't know what time I get back. I think I'll be in the air on the 23rd. But it's a long flight. I think I have I'm not sure. I don't think it's a layover, but I gotta stop somewhere. Probably in New York. I don't know. But yeah, it will be next week. This time next week, like Friday. What day is Friday? Let me see. Oh, Friday is the 24th. I don't know. If I get back on the 23rd, I might Friday. I'm gonna say right now, I don't think it's happening. But if I get back, yeah, I'll yeah. But yeah, I want to get back to it. I want to get back to my office and stuff. Get back to working, having my time and all that. Hold up, let me get back down to the 15 minute. Take this spot to the 15. See how we're looking. All right, so we got like 1.5 minute left on this candle. See kind of how the next one is. So we haven't confirmed yet, but we are above that level. We're above that resistance on the day. Still kind of moving sideways on the Heikin Ashi, but we're still kind of moving up. You said April? Yeah, it'll be April. Like, yeah, it'll be this month. It'll just be like the last week pretty much. Yes, I will be back. Oh, we trying to push up. Hold up. All right, so if this candle lives completely up here, yo, I'm kicked out. And I might have to go for some calls and try to ride. Or go for a light one. But yeah, we'll see at 6:45. I'm gonna take it to a 30 for now. No, I'm gonna leave it on the 15 or 5. Honestly, it's been riding the 5 EMA or the 13 EMA on the 5 the whole time we've been here. See if we can get to 712. Bro, Amazon's kind of had a little run too. Let's see. Right, Amazon was sub 200. Hold on, let me get rid of this. I think this pushing up higher. I do too. Like a lot of stuff points to it being like that, but yeah, for these zero DTEs, they might just hold it out long enough to give me an L. I think it's a fake out. And honestly, like it's like I think the straight being open is good, but I don't think it's that good. But also we have earnings. Like we're coming into earnings season. Like we had earnings on Netflix. Was it yesterday? I saw Netflix went down or whatnot. So I think earnings season is going to dictate some things here kind of shortly. All right, we got Spy. Yo, it's about to be at 712. Said trend is your friend until the bend and then the end. Hey, for real, like it was looking like the trend was about to break though. That's what I was trying to go for. But yeah, the trend, yo, it's still moving. I was thinking we would get more of a pullback. I was thinking, yo, it would still come up, but there's like no relent. There's no relenting to or no drawbacks to like give an entry. But actually, no. Hold on. My question is like, what is moving the spy up right now still? Because everything else I'm looking at, like all the big stuff in it, it's kind of moving down or like sideways when the spy is moving up. Here, let's see. So we got SoFi kind of pulling back to like the 48. Tesla's been moving sideways. You said it did. It never lost a 9 EMA on the top is close, so it has to be. You said Apple. Apple was doing good today. Let me see. Let me see if that's still moving. I mean, it's not moving like that. It's moving. Let's see. Like it's slight up, but the spy is like up. Hold on. I'm not yeah, let's try to identify this. Like what is doing this? Or it might just be manipulation. Okay, so we got the Russell. I mean Google wait, hold on, let's see. Google's moving pretty oh, it's moving all right. I'm not sure if it's like quiet. We still got like 10 minutes on the spy. Yeah, Google kinda. No, I don't think Apple is. Apple looks like it's getting ready to come down. Yeah, I think they're playing with us. Meta, I don't know. Well, actually, like you got like a little, bro. It's so small though. That no, it's just moving. SoFi. Let's see, Amazon. Nope. Nvidia. Nope. Nah, it's the market maker, man. Wait, let me see Robinhood. So Meta and Nvidia charts look similar. It's moving kind of slow. Okay, hold up. So Nvidia. I'm not sure about Nvidia, but I think let me see Meta. Meta is moving up, but Nvidia, like if we're looking on a five, I wouldn't say so much. Everyone buying, hey, for real. Let's see the PCE. No, we got a lot more calls than puts right now. Our hex. Wait, hold on. Let me see. Hold on. Let me. So this is for the index. Let me check on Moomoo real quick. Check their call to put ratios on the SPY. Markets. Bro, yeah, this Wi-Fi is slow. My phone is not pulling up much. Okay, there we go. Let's see. Oh, it says the calls and puts are even. I'm not sure if this is live. Okay, so that's volume. Options interest, I believe. Call to put ratio. Oh, hold up. Yeah, the puts. Wait. Yeah, there's an insane amount of puts actually. Oh, wow. Let me check the strikes. Are those calls? Yeah, there's 712 call strikes. All right, yeah, the 710 is strong. Yeah, that's insane. Yeah, there is an insane amount of yeah, the call to put ratio. Let me pull it back up. It's 2.4, like specifically for this five. And with today's option expiration, yeah, it's probably not. I just wanna I just wanna pull back to a certain level. I wanna see if they'll give me a pullback to a certain level. I might adjust kind of where my target is though. I feel like they'll try to like trap some people the other way and I could still get it. Shoot, let me know when it hits 1050 or so. So I can get out for less. But yeah. All right, we got like 4 more minutes on this candle too. Shoot, I kind of want to look at the ratio for everything else now. All right, what else? What else we got on the screen? See if there's anything outsized on anything. I'll look at AMD. Okay, it's not. Oh, yeah, it's not that bad on AMD. I want to find some stuff with some bad ratios. Bro, yeah, nothing even compared to this buy. It's not bad on Tesla. Let's see Coinbase. There's like nothing on Coinbase. Let's check the Qs. Qs isn't quite that bad. Yeah, SPY is definitely has it the worst. Wait. Oh no, it looks like a. Oh, hold up. I was looking at the. Okay, hold up. I was looking at the wrong thing. Let me run through and look at everything else again. So let's check Google. Okay. Check Robinhood. Not that bad. All right, we still got like 2 minutes. Let me check Nike. Put the call. Not that bad on Nike. Check Apple. Not that bad. Coinbase. Not bad. Oh yeah, I'm about to get kicked out, y'all. All right, let me check AMD one more time. AMD looks like it's moving. AMD's in the green now. AMD actually has a good amount of puts on it. Slightly in favor of the puts. You check SoFi. That's kind of chill. All right, let me face this on the SPY. See how it's looking. SPY 708 by close is my take. See what happens. All right, we'll see. That's a big move, bro. I'm not even gonna. Bro, close is like my bedtime out here. That's a mad move right there. Bro, we just keep printing up. So we just closed out on a bullish candle. So this candle right here is a break. It'd be nice if you could get a retest for an entry. But no, it's just pumping. Look, that's the 30 minute. That's the hour. See the 4 hour. It's the 4 hour. No chill for the SPY today. All right, so if I had grabbed the call when I got in, I think it was at like 10:50. Yeah, it was about right here where this line is. Market open. Okay, we got like a $2 move so far since I joined. That's wild. Like there ain't no stop. These curve, I like that idea very, very much because of now there goes today's profit. 708 SPY, you can do it. Hey, we'll see. We'll see. I'm gonna cut out of one of them, and I'll let one of them go. I'm gonna sell out one of them for 28. And the other one I'll just let do its thing. Bro, we still got Bitcoin kind of moving up. Bitcoin's still moving up. MSTR stopped moving, but let me see. Yeah, I was kind of looking for it to come to like this 79K area. Let me see it on the daily. Maybe even this 83K. See it on the weekly. But yeah, MSTR slowed down. I think like there could be like a little pullback. Oh, MSTR looks like it's not doing as hot as Bitcoin now. AMD's almost at 280. Are these all-time highs? Bitcoin needs to bust 80K for confirmed ups. Hey, for real. All right, so AMD just created a new range, new all-time high, all that good stuff. Here, let me get rid of some of this. So yeah, AMD's at all-time highs right now. Go on, throw that up right there. Throw that down there. Bro, AMD blasting going crazy. Let me check my return. Actually, I think I got really lucky. This isn't something I recommend doing, but I think like I had like sold some AMD on one of the dips, but it was before AMD had dipped. And then I had like bought it back again, and it was a lower price, but I bought the same like dollar amount. And that was just it was just up. So yeah, AMD. So like it says I'm up like 52%, but in reality I'm up more than that. I just like bought back in. But yeah, that kind of messed up my number. 143 average on XRP by order. You know what? Let me look at my Coinbase. I hadn't even checked it out. Where I go to? Where's Coinbase? Bro, where's my Coinbase? 44 million XRP release in Japan for spending like cash on Amazon equivalent. Tokenizations on the cusp. Institutions are gobbling up XRP. Look at interesting. Look at the data. Bro, where's my Coinbase app? Oh, there it is. Yeah, what my portfolio looking like? Bro, I see I'm down like 25% overall. Not quite what I was hoping. On my Ethereum. I don't think I have anything I'm up on in this account. Or maybe this is just for the day. Actually, hold up. No, it's not for the day. Yeah, I'm not up on anything right now, crypto wise. XRP model takes 3 to 4 seconds versus Swift takes 3 to 5 days. That's why it's coming. Either we get on board. Yeah, honestly, I don't even know anything about all that. I might get left at the station. Like I'm over here on like AI and stuff. But yeah, when it comes to tokens and stuff, yeah, I'm still very much on I'm on this dollar that everyone's trying to go without. I still got my companies. I still got that like got those little gold dollar things. Probably have to diversify some more. All right, so we're flattening out again, bro. AMD at 280. Bro, that makes my heart happy. I was buying AMD when it was at 75. Hey, shout out to the people who had it when it was like $2 over here. But yeah, Japan has been testing for 5 plus years and implementing now. Hey, they know what's up. I'm gonna say that. And since I'm up on Bitcoin and Ethereum as well, just more XRP, only like 10% of all capital given or take crypto. Bro, I'm gonna say I'm not with it yet. I don't have anything against it. I'm just not with it yet when it comes to crypto. But yo, I'll take all the free crypto I can get. Like I don't know. I feel like it's probably happened like 2 or 3 times. Like Cash App, I've like received emails from them saying like, "Yo, if you deposit any amount of money, and we'll give you like $10 free in Bitcoin." So I'll deposit like $1. They'll deposit like $10 worth of Bitcoin in there. I'm like, cool. Oh, I will take that trade any day. I give you one, you give me 10. And actually, I still get to keep the one. So it's like I show you one, you give me 10. Hey, cool. And it just sits in there. All right. Hey, seeing some red on the Heiken Ashi, but we're still running that 13 EMA. It's a good feeling seeing stocks go up when you buy low. I bought Hood at 44, sold at 120. And now it's back below that 122. It's still moving up. But yeah, it's back below that 120. We might have something. Hey, we'll see. Hey, I'm just here holding out. I'm gonna say, I'm gonna say this to y'all. Hey, I'm still here on the stream. I'm not like necessarily in a rush to go anywhere because I'm not necessarily going to do anything just because I don't know when my wife's coming home. So I'm here chilling on a stream. But I think now is the time I would normally say peace out. So to those of you who have to dip out or go anywhere, I would like to take this time to say, yo, peace out, family. Appreciate each and every one of y'all. Hope y'all have a blessed day. All that good stuff. Matthew Mayo signing off. And I want to change your life. All that good stuff. But I'm still here. So I'm just chilling. Just chilling in this hotel room. Might wanna shoot, y'all might catch me start like talking about food though. Start have to looking at like what looks good. Hey, very welcome, Mahishu. I hope you have a blessed day. You said you gave us a fake. Oh no, yeah, no, I'm still here. Yeah, I'm just here on call. Probably looking at saying like, hey, what's good? What am I gonna eat for dinner? I've been craving a brisket sandwich for weeks now. State trip coming soon. Brisket sandwich. I was like, I'm out here, and like a few times I was like, they have like so much good food here. But I had to like hone in and say, okay, I'm at hungry. Let me try to like focus on the more Hungarian, like actual Hungarian stuff. Because like low key, when you go to the tourist spots, you're low key gonna have like all the or high key gonna have like a lot of similar kind of stuff that's like really good. But it's like all like, oh, you can find that anywhere. So I think my wife and I last night we went to this like Hungarian spot and I was like, oh yeah, this actually hits. And it's like when it's like real Hungarian too, and it's not like just touristy, it's like, yo, they're costs a little less too. Like all the tourist stuff, it's like, oh, you're paying the same amount you pay for stuff, like pay for a meal normally. But what was I gonna say? Yeah, you're paying the same amount, but it's like, oh, food doesn't normally cost that out here. But if you come somewhere, if you go to like some authentic Hungarian, it's like, oh, bro, they also got like some Michelin star restaurants out here. I ain't go to any, but it's like, bro, they're like a third of the price for like a full like tasting menu. Hold on, I might have to look. I might have to see what's up. Might have to do that one night. Let's see. Hey, we got some. Hey, we got some red on the hiking ashy. Hiking is it hiking ashy? And we're moving up on the dollar. I'm gonna check back in on the SPY like call to put ratio, see if it's changed at all. See if we had some people what is it? See if we have some people closing their puts or whatever. See SPY. Bro, not that I can see. I do see some more calls though. No, I don't. No, I don't. Or actually, yeah, I don't see any more puts being bought at like higher levels. All right, let's see if we can move on some more. Yeah, because we right here holding this 13 EMA. We trying to go. Let's see if we can get like a solid like two hiking ashes below this level. Then we'll be on to something. But yeah, we got the dollar moving up. Let's see if we can move higher. So we set some liquidity at like $98 on the dollar. Right now we're at 97.97. Let's see if we can come in and like push higher on that, and then push lower on the dollar, or on the SPY. Come back and retest something. And let me also come back and look at this. Look at these menus. Well, let me see how far these restaurants are from me. Let me see what it's looking like. I mean, that's cool. Let's see. Look at. All right, so we're still at 97.97 on the dollar. Tesla trading sideways. Amazon trying to look up a little bit. Nothing crazy though. PCE chilling around 52 overall. Baker Hughes oil and gas rig count rigs and latest week from previous week to 543. I'm gonna take the spot back to like a 15. All right, so this last candle on spot was black. I don't know. Let's see if we can get a retest of this level. It might have a little turnaround action here. Might have a little turnaround. Let's see. Okay. All right, just to update y'all, I'm looking at food, y'all. This is Goldie. Oh, that's close. Let me see what this is. Hmm, not too bad. Not my style though. All right, yeah, we got like, well, we got 7.5 minutes on this candle. This one seeing some selling pressure. Well, okay, so just got this tweet from this one trader I follow on X. Bitcoin is not reclaiming a random level. The resistance it just broke through is exactly the Liberation Day low from last year. Hold up. Let's take a look at that. Bitcoin. Let's go to a daily chart. All right, we got the SPY selling off. I'm gonna grab a couple more of these contracts just to like ride short. All right, so I picked, I got like five of them. I got like five of them at like 32 cents a share. Oh, they're already up. All right, so that brought my average down a good amount. Average cost 53 cents per share. It's now 40 per share. All right, so hey, doing some recovery. See if we can get some quick movement. Yeah, let's see. Let's see. Hold up. I'm probably about to jump out of the ones I just bought. Oh, hold up. Oh yeah, I'm in the green now. Let me cut down to just one, or just cut down to, yeah, I'm about to shoot. Let me cut down to, yeah, one contract. Oh, that was quick. Hold up. Yeah, we're selling off, y'all. Hold up. Let me what's going on here? That was so quick. Can we come down to this level? Hey, they're messing around. I'm gonna wait. I'm gonna wait. That's wild. I don't think it's done. I mean, it also could be, but that's insane. Here, let me at least cut out of the five though, while I can still get out at like reduce it or whatever. No, wait a second. Oh, let me take this to a 5 minute. Yeah, I think we're still going though. All right, we still got the dollar still moving up, so that's cool. But oh, back to the Bitcoin. Let's see. Level from last year. Hold up. Was it 74.5 or something? All right, okay, we got the SPY moving back down again. Well, that little move down, that pop was so quick. They try to give me a fake out, but we got the hike and Ashley's kind of moving down a little bit. All right, SPY moving down again. I'm gonna sell out of those five that I just grabbed. Lock in a little profit. That was good timing right there. All right, so I bought those at. Oh wait, no, I didn't even sell out of them yet. I thought I sold out, but looks like the price came up again. I had put an order in. So I have an order in for the five, but price like jumped up right when I put the order in. I think it's about to get filled though. Should get filled here in a second. All right, so I just got filled on those. So I bought into those at like 32, the extra five I got, and I sold out at 62. All right, so now it's saying like I'm up 93% on what I have now. So took an L to a W. Sometimes you just sit in there, and sometimes averaging down helps. That's cool. But yeah, now, yeah, we'll let it do its thing. Hey, I'm up 100% after all the averaging down. Wait, that doesn't even make sense to me. It says my average cost is like 31 now, but I had bought it. Oh, I think it like accounted for like the profit I took. I don't think Robinhood used to adjust for all that, but I think it does now. That's weird. Fleshy, patience is key. Yeah, most of the time I like have to go and do something, but I'm here today. I'll try to like ride the wave on this hike and ashy, see where it goes. Got a little wiggle room now. I would like to come down here. Honestly, if I extended my trade and was like real about the extension of it, I also like kind of, I think maybe it was over here that I entered and like probably got out like over here or still riding, but yeah, I took an entry over here, and an entryway here, and none of them hit my original target. I mean, that's something. Let me see if I can see the what is it? See the wait, what are these contracts I have? Oh, that's something old. But yeah, see the call to put ratio on see if that's changing at all. Wait, hold on. I need to gain some clarity on something because I see two numbers. Here. Get my answers from AI. To let y'all know, there's like this thing I'm looking at, and it's showing a put to call ratio on there's one for volume and there's one for OI. I think OI stands for open interest, but really I'm trying to like I'm looking up to see what OI stands for, and I'm looking at what the difference is between the call to put ratio on where it's showing the call to put ratio on volume and the call to put ratio on OI. All right, the SPY is starting to come down some more or come down again. What's the difference between the call to put ratio on OI versus call to put ratio on volume? All right, let's see. You said I think minimally we get to 709.80, the 50 EMA on the 5 minute. We'll see. Yeah, let's get there. Okay, so I was right about it meaning open interest, but let's see what it says the difference is. All right, it says good question. This is exactly the kind of thing most people glance over, but it actually tells you a lot about positioning. What does OI mean? Open interest. That just means the number of contracts that are currently open and still active, not closed yet. So if someone buys a call and holds it overnight, that adds to OI. They close it, OI goes down. Think of it like volume is today's activity, OI is total positions still on the field. Put the call ratio based on OI, what you're seeing. Okay. There's two. Okay, 1%. All right, let's look at it over here now. All right, we still got a lot of puts. This is different. Instead of looking at total open contracts, how many calls and puts were traded today, volume ratio, short-term sentiment, OI longer term, key difference. This is the important part. Time frame, bigger picture. Okay. Okay, that can mean people were positioned bearish and getting squeezed. There's still downside protection sitting underneath. If price keeps pushing, could feel continuation, short covering. Okay. So we're moving down. We're moving down on the SPY. All right. Sitting around like 90% on those contracts. Cool. Cool. Hey, let's get it. I think honestly it's at around the price on wait, that doesn't even make sense. Wait. Bro, these contracts aren't making sense or whatever. Or these contracts are this history in Robinhood is not making sense. Let me see. So I've put a total of I'm gonna have to do it myself. Okay, that's my total cost. Okay. Yo, if I get out with more than 63, oh yeah, so yeah. Yeah, we chilling. No, actually it's the number is showing it's right. I'm up 100%. But I really love if we just like had a quick flush to 708 and then it's like, oh, yo, whole family eating. Let's go. And then like, yo, somebody else like, yo, I made another $11,000 today. I don't know who came in and said that. I don't remember. Let me go back and look. Someone came in early, like, oh, I'm up. Oh, Steven or Steve, yo, 11K. Hey, that's what we like to hear. All right, so up 116. All right, I'm gonna go ahead. I'm gonna take another one off just so there's no way I can lose. And then I'm gonna just let the last one do its thing. So I sold out of one at 72, so guaranteed profit. And then now, oh wait, hold up. We're almost to like what my target is anyway. I just call it a day there. Yeah, that's what I was all right, this is about where I entered, but yeah, yeah, I'm gonna go ahead and cut out right here. Well, that's like 90. Yeah, additional 90 on top of that. Oh, hold up. Bro, it's trying to buy up now. Let me out. I think I'm about to get out. Okay, I'm out. 90 per share. Okay, it's moving some more, but hey, I'm out. I'm done. Oh, that's kind of wild, bro. Yeah, good stuff. Good stuff. Made a killing in the portfolio today. All right. Yeah, so yo, I'm still here. I'm done trading. Um, hey, yeah, SPY, yo, money. Yeah, it still hasn't like fully got back to the level where I first entered, but it's like right there. That took us on a trip. I think whenever the SPY is like, yo, or whenever the markets are like, yo, we have day trades now too, and I don't have to worry about that. I feel like I can, oh, maybe not every day because you don't always get enough movement, but it's like I could look at stuff like this, doing stuff like this more often. Like take the like doing bite-sized trades that end up being some nice sized trades or whatever. But what we looking at now, fam? I'm done. I'm done for the day. But what we looking at now? Wait, how long we been live? 2.5 hours. Here, let's see. This is what I'm gonna do real quick. I'm gonna do run around, do a looky loo on like the 4 hour. See how we're looking on a lot of things. Actually, I feel like I know how we're looking. I'm gonna actually go up to the weekly. See how we're looking. You said checking on HUD. Let's see. Hey, I'm glad I sold out right there because yo, it's trying to go back up. But yeah, that's what I was wanting, that move. But yeah, let's check in on HUD. Probably put oh, it's not really. I was gonna say probably pulling back right now because big it pulled back a little bit. Nothing crazy. It was up at 93.40. You know what I'm saying? I'm out, broke even in SPY. I'll be back in the market around the end of the day. About to hit the bike path. Hey, enjoy yourself. Be safe. Oh, dang. Okay. Hey, it's falling now. Bro, it's going for that. It's going for that 708 level. Bro, it's playing. Okay. All right, y'all. I'm gonna have to. Hey, looking like that. I'm gonna have to call it a day now. They flying with me. They flying with me. It's cool though. It's cool. What time is it? Hold up. 7 hours. So it's about like 1:30 Central Time, right? No. Nah, it's like 12:30 Central Time. No, oh wait, hold up. I forgot my the chart on my computer is still like normal time. So I could just look down here. So it's 12:30. Okay. All right, so I would if I were trading at my later trading time, I would still be in the charts anyway. Okay. All right. That's like I'm gonna end up getting used to the time over here. Like right when it's time to go back. It is what it is. But yeah, I guess that's the trade for the week. Feel a little bad. I haven't like been taking like swing trades. But also I feel good I haven't been taking swing trades because it's like I took the one on the SPY, like I took the puts. Or I took a call. Yeah, I took a put. And bro, unless the SPY falls to like I think it's like a 684 put. Unless the SPY falls down here. Bro, it's like actually even if it like falls to like I don't know, like if it falls to like 688, 690, anything like that, that's a big fall. But if it falls to anything like that, unless it falls to something like that, I'm it's gonna die like worthless, but it's chill, it's chill. I think it expires on Monday. But yeah, let me look at well hold up, I got a trend line on Robinhood. Let me see that on a weekly. What is this trend line on Robinhood I have? Hey, it's trying to break it, whatever it is. It's trying. Yo, we might have a little breakout on Robinhood. I don't know. There's a gap that still needs to be filled to like, I guess like 98.50 or so on Robinhood. Okay. But yeah, let me get back to it. Let's see. Let's run through the list. So dollar VIX. Bro, yeah, that VIX is low right now. This is nah, That's weird. It's like the VIX is low, but options contracts are high. Put the call 54. Okay. Let's see what we got here. All right, family. I think I'm gonna call it a day. So with that being said, family, appreciate each and every one of y'all for rolling through. Um, I would like to say we'll get on once next week. I'm gonna say odds are I probably will not. Probably not. Just cause I think it might take like it might not be like 2 full days of travel, but I don't know what time of the day I'm traveling. So it might be trading times, and then I'll also like the day I'm back, probably need a day to be coherent. So like if I'm back, it would be this day next week. It'll be Friday, but probably not happening. But yeah, with that being said, appreciate each and every one of y'all for rolling through. Matthew Manuel signing off, and I want to change your life. Peace out, M Sense. Peace out, D Scurv. Peace out, JoJo. What else we had in here? My issue. Emery. Yeah, stay blessed, family. I will catch y'all. Yeah, I'll see y'all when I see y'all. Peace out, family. Love y'all.